Okay, this is Roscoe. He's actually one of my favorite blocks. I think he's got a little bit of an alley cat look to him. I like him. So just like all of the other ones, we start with the neck, and the straight cut edge gets lined up with the bottom cut edge of your block. But now Roscoe is a little different because he has a separate muzzle piece. So we're going to work on the muzzle next, get it positioned on the neck. I pushed that down a little bit by accident when I set the muzzle down. And then we're going to tuck the head behind the muzzle. So this is going to just slip behind until we cover up that chalk line. There we go. Now it's what you've seen a bunch of times already. We've got the ears that tuck behind the head. And a couple of eyes. I think this would also be a cute one to do as a black and white cat, to do black where I've got the dark gray and then white on that muzzle. I feel like that's a really common cat marking. There you go.